Welcome to part 2 of our Singapore travel video, where we visit the Flower Dome and Avatar exposition, eat delicious satay and Michelin star noodles at the Lau Pa Sat Hawker Center, and walk around the city to see Merlion's statue. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do to help our channel grow. So the Flower Dome is situated near the Gardens by the Bay, or actually in the Gardens by the Bay. And it's definitely recommended to walk around the Gardens by the Bay during the day as well, since the flora and fauna and the landscaping here is beautifully done. The gardens are divided in southeast and central. We only got to see, I think, the eastern part because it's really big. But our goal was to go inside the Flower Dome, where you can find plants and flowers from all over the world. The movie Avatar was just released that week and they held an exposition inside the Flower Dome, which was pretty fun to see.
Intelligence. Speaking about Navi, if anyone of you here haven't tried yet, will ever trust yourself, right?
Dit is 73, papa? Je wordt er 3,5 meter. Je lijkt op een hobbit.
Zie je de Merlion?
These little plants here are called lithops and they look like little stones. They are filled with fluids. Their natural habitat is a rocky area, which is why they evolved such a clever camouflage to protect themselves from being eaten for their fluids. If you're into nature, definitely pay a visit here.
Mama. Pannetjes worden nat.
Time to eat. This is Lau Pa Sat.
So this street is open now. And when the restaurants are open or the satay stalls get open, I think they close. No, I think I saw it yesterday. They closed the street. It's very nice.
It was first built in 1824 as a fish market, but later rebuilt and now serves as a food market. And the market remains one of the oldest Victorian structures in Southeast Asia. Right next to it is the famous Satay street, and the street gets closed off at night and is full of tables and satay stalls. And wow, this is so popular. We went early, so we got the first round of satay, and it was truly delicious. But otherwise you have to wait quite a bit to get a table.
E essa é uma estrada que estava já conheciam muitos pescados. Volgens mij krijgen we zoiets met.
These kind of food markets also have such a nice atmosphere. We also tried the award-winning horfun, dish with a braised sauce with over 30 herbs in it, and this was so good. It's very hard to describe the taste, so if you ever find yourself there, you'll have to try it. Let's end with a dessert scooped with lots of love. We were mesmerized by the way the boy scoops the ice cream because it's perfectly round and he did it with such care.
Thank you.
The following day we went to see the Merlion or Merlion statue. This area of town is very nice to walk around in, and the view at the statue is really great. You can see all the hotspots of Singapore. The Merlion's fish-like body symbolizes Singapore's origins as a fishing village. And Mer comes from the word Temasak, and it's a name which comes from the same root as the word Tasek, and that means lake in Malay. And the statue's head, a lion, represents the city's original name of Singapura, and this means lion city in Sanskrit.
So the return of the tourist pass and get some money back. Blah, 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 blah.
After one last breakfast, we are off to the airport. And we are off to Dubai to visit my sister. We go to the water park, see the beautiful Hatta Mountains up north, and enjoy the beaches, old markets, and a little trip to Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you at the next one.